Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Nafi.
So we'll begin with part 1 and we'll be talking about your country. So most people live in houses or apartment in your country.
There are different places. It is based on region wise. Like in the cities like Mumbai, it is very congested. So there people live in apartment, whereas in North people's preference is to live in new houses, separate houses.
So what do people usually do in their free time in your country?
The free time, I feel people do lazy activities like watching television and all.
What do you enjoy most about living in your country?
The thing that I enjoy the most should be freedom. Like if we compare it from the Western countries, the freedom we get there is very less. Whereas in India, we can feel this freedom as first of all we live with our parents. So yeah, there is some kind of freedom we get there. We don't have to work till the age of 18 or 19.
So what is your favorite meal?
So, pardon?
What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal should be lunch, as in India we have the favorite meal is it should be lunch because the heavier type of food we consume during the lunch, that can be dal makhani, parathas, etc.
Would you say that your country is a good place to visit?
Yes, sure. India is one of the top countries if we talk about tourism. It has various places, various tourist spots, spread all over the country.
Do you prefer to eat out or eat at home? Why?
I prefer to eat at home because the food made at home is simple and I like eating simple food. The digestion and all in the fast food is too much to handle by a human body.
Are there any traditional meals that you would recommend?
Yes, I belong to Uttarakhand and yes, there are many traditional meals we can have. There is badi, there is fun bhat, which I really love.
How have people's eating habit changed in your country?
People's eating habits have changed a little, I feel, because at earlier times people were quite free and had all the time to prepare a nice dinner, a nice lunch or breakfast, say. But nowadays, because of the hectic and stressful life, people tend to eat fast foods and sometimes even skip the meals. So yes, that is unhealthy, I think.
Okay, that's it for part 1 and we'll begin with the part 2. Nandit, that's your 1 minute. Now you may begin.
If I talk about my roadmap for the next 3 years, I'm planning to go to Canada and do a diploma and then get settled there. My main plan is to have a PR in Canada and then earn a livelihood and finally bring all my family to Canada to live a nice and peaceful life. I have chosen Canada as my country as I feel that country is quite secure and one of the best places to live with family. So that's curious.
Good.